Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit World. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a credit line with no credit check of up to $10,000. Yes, you have heard it right. And there are a lot of things that I'm going to talk about in this video, but this video is going to be very short and precise, so stay with me because right after this video, I'm going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 credit card with no credit check and not even a soft pull. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. So today the financial institution I'm going to review and let you know that how you can get a $10,000 credit line with no credit check is from One Finance. So what is One Finance? One Finance is a fintech company that offers the similar products such as Oxygen Bank and the other couple of banks that I already reviewed. If you haven't watched the video, then please do watch the video if you would like to have more credit lines from other banks with no credit check and not even a self pull. So right here, first let me go towards one card, and then we are going to talk about a couple of more features, and then we're gonna come towards the credit line, because believe me, bear with me till the end of this video, then after reviewing both of those products, the credit line will make a lot of sense to you. So let's go towards the one card. So what is one card? So they offer a bank account to you. So what is the bank account? The great thing about it that when you open a bank account, there is no limit. For example, that a lot of traditional banks, what they do, you have to have a certain amount, and then if you don't, then they will charge you a certain fee. But with this One Finance, they know the gap in the market, and now they are offering an account that you open the account and then you can have even $5 in it or $500,000 in it. So there is no fee. They will not charge you a single fee. And the great thing about their card is that whenever you use that card, on the first time you'll get $5 back. So this is what I really like about it. And now let's go towards the other feature, that is 3% APY. So what it is, that whatever you do, they have an automatic feature, and what they do, they actually transfer the pennies just like acorns or acorns, and then they give you 3% APY on it. And that's what I really love about it, because most of the time whatever I buy, and I actually don't know that how much change do I have, and then if I have those pennies in my account and then I get the return on it as well, this is an amazing opportunity for anyone out there. Now let's go towards the thing that all of you are waiting for, and that is the credit line. Sorry to say, but after both of these products, the credit line will make a lot of sense to you. So the thing is, what they do, when you open an account with them, you have to have an account with them for at least 2 months. And what you need to do, that you need to have at least one direct deposit. So whatever the direct deposit will be, your credit line will be defined according to it. So what it means, if you have a $1,000 direct deposit, your credit line will be $1,000. That is 100% of your direct deposit. So if you have a 10,000 direct deposit, then you're gonna get a credit line of 10,000. There's a lot of tricks that how you can do that, and how you can actually have a huge direct deposit without actually having a direct deposit. I'm going to make another video on it. So it's really simple. So the great thing about it as well, whatever the credit line you have, if you actually paid within a month, for example, you got $1,000 of credit line and you spent $100, but if you paid back just in a month, then there is no interest, no APR. But if you carry that balance to the next month, they will charge you 1%. And if you carry the balance after the second month, then they will charge you 12% APR. What I really love about it, that actually it's really transparent and it's really straightforward. I've never seen a credit line like this before, which does not require any sort of credit check but your direct deposit. But a lot of people must be thinking that direct deposit is one thing that is difficult nowadays. So yes, if you have a job, if you are working and you have a direct deposit, this is just for you. So let your employer know to actually do the direct deposit on your One Finance account. So whatever the direct deposit for 2 months, you will get the credit limit according to that and actually equal to it. So thank you so much. But right after this video, I'm going to upload another video which will allow you to get $5,000 of credit card with no credit check. So if you would like to watch that video, please subscribe to this channel, like the video, and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.